Hello, crochet enthusiasts! If you're ready to craft your very own cozy and stylish accessories, then let me introduce you to Crocheting Accessories, scarf hand warmers, taught by the talented Grace Shu. Whether you're a complete beginner or an intermediate crocheter looking to sharpen your skills, this course will guide you step by step through creating personalized, functional pieces that showcase your unique style. In this course, Grace Shu, a crochet designer with a deep passion for fiber arts, will teach you how to crochet a beautiful scarf and a pair of hand warmers. You'll start by learning how to select the perfect yarn and materials, then move on to mastering both basic and intermediate crochet stitches. From simple chains to more advanced techniques, you'll discover how to turn a ball of yarn into wearable art. One of the best parts of this course is the clear, easy-to-follow instruction. Grace Shu will break down each step with precision, showing you how to not only craft these pieces, but also add your own personal touch to make them unique. You'll also learn about project planning, yarn selection, and how to finish your accessories with perfect edges and details that make all the difference. By the end of the course, you'll have completed a final project where you'll crochet both a scarf and hand warmers. You'll have the freedom to customize them, experimenting with different stitches, colors, and finishing touches to create something truly special. The skills you learn in this course can also be applied to future crochet projects, helping you expand your creativity and craft more intricate pieces. This course is ideal for anyone who loves handmade projects or wants to explore the world of crochet for the first time. You don't need any prior experience, just a willingness to learn and experiment with new techniques. Grace Shu will be with you every step of the way, offering expert tips and encouraging you to embrace your creativity. And the best part? You get lifetime access to all 15 lessons so you can learn at your own pace and revisit the content whenever you need. Ready to get cozy and creative? Click the link in the description below and use the code RODLEVEL10 to get 10% off this course or any other on Domestika. Let's start crocheting together.